In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Planner as a Kanban board. Microsoft Planner is a simple project management tool that helps you organize tasks visually. A Kanban board is a workflow board where tasks move through different stages, such as to do, in progress, and done. Planner works well for this because it lets you create task cards, organize them into columns, assign people, and track progress. First, open Microsoft Planner from Microsoft 365. You can also access it through Microsoft Teams if your organization uses Teams. Once Planner is open, choose an existing plan or create a new one. Give your plan a clear name, such as Marketing Project, Website Redesign, Client Work, or Weekly Team Tasks. Now you need to set up your board columns. In Microsoft Planner, columns are called buckets. By default, you may see a bucket called To Do, but you can rename it or create new buckets based on your workflow. A simple Kanban setup could include Backlog, To Do, In Progress, Review, and Completed. Backlog is for ideas or future tasks. To Do is for tasks that are ready to start. In Progress is for tasks someone is currently working on. Review is for tasks that need checking. Completed is for finished work. Next, start adding task cards. Click Add Task, enter the task name, choose a due date if needed, and assign it to the right team member. Then open the task card to add more details, such as a checklist, description, attachments, comments, labels, priority, and progress status. Labels are useful for sorting tasks by category. For example, you can use labels for design, development, finance, urgent tasks, client work, or internal tasks. This makes the board easier to scan when there are many cards. As work moves forward, drag task cards from one bucket to another. For example, when someone starts a task, move it from To Do to In Progress. When the task is ready for checking, move it to Review. Once everything is finished, move it to Completed. You can also use Planner's filters to find tasks by assignee, due date, priority, label, or progress. This helps team members focus only on the tasks that matter to them. For better teamwork, review the board regularly. Update task progress, adjust due dates, add comments, and remove tasks that are no longer needed. A Kanban board works best when it stays current. That's how to use Microsoft Planner as a Kanban board for simple and visual task management. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.